had a real time before.
I know.
Before the, Get your camera out. You're going to be...
There he is. Right there. Pull, little guy. He's making a thought.
Oh, man.
He's going to run on you. You're going to tell him, get ready to grab his ass.
Yeah, I got him.
He's got a hook in his ass. Alright, work your way over to the corner. That's where he wants to go. That way you're not going to stop.
You're tied to the boat.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere.
You're all set. You're all set.
He's going to run up crazy. Yes, walk up. Somebody over there? It's usually you take 3 times. Because when you see the boat, try to fight him if you want. I don't think you're gonna be able to push up on him. You got way too bad. You got a good hook though, man.
Yeah, I'm not getting anyone.
You don't have wire, so rip him. Go.
Stop. Take advantage of it.
Nice to know you hooked up. Yeah. Over here. Alright, I gotta get this weight off. That's not gonna help us. There you go. I'm not gonna be happy, I'm gonna tell you that. Oh no, he's every bit about 7 bucks. See ya. Alright, straighten up with him. There you go. Oh, let him go a little. We'll pull up on him, guys. It takes about 3 times to get him in the boat before he decides to quit. Nice.
Can you give him more attention? You know, it's not,
yeah, watch this.
It's not real.
Now you got him. That's gonna load you. Oh, there you go. There you go. Pump him. You gotta fight him. Yeah. He's winning. You're in a dead standoff. I want that word. That'll screw you up. Well, it's gonna screw you up. Oh yeah, you think that's gonna work?
There he is.
Oh, oh, he's good.
Oh man.
See ya. No, come on. Look at the face. It's like you. Get a break though. Might not be there. You can't breathe.
I got you. You're not going anywhere. You're tied to the boat.
You work good and get him out of it.
Going out back, so you're going to have to walk around back.
Unbelievable. These things have. Oh, watch out. You want to pull your
I think they might
part them off. Alright, right over there. There you go. Please, face. Just right out of the way. There you go. Fight him. Don't let him go into the boat. Go on. Get in the boat. Come on. Good. Oh, there you go. What do you mean? I've seen that balloon a couple times. I've seen it a couple times. But every time you see the balloon, she disappears.
That must be about a boat length.
Alright, this guy's dragging it.
Move that other rod.
Yeah.
Oh.
Get over the shack. Ready? Here we go. Oh, yeah. Alright, I gotta let him go.
Oh, look at him go.
Oh.
Oh my God!
Good picture right here.
Oh, he's
Dude, that's not him. That's a different one. That's a big.
It's a different one.
Oh my God!
This one is, we don't even have this one.
No, that's a what?
That's another one.
Holy fuck!
He's coming to the rescue.
Oh, this is the best day ever.
Yeah, look at that.
Look,
He's swimming around the boat.
He's eating shit. He's right here.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. Wow. He swam right around your boat.
Max, he's right out of the water down there.
Yeah, you can see him on the thing. That's him. fighting the wrong guy. Where is that guy?
We haven't even seen him yet.
Smells all the cod.
Shit.
Oh,
What? No, that's not a blue shark. The other one.
What is it?
There's one with the white belly way down there.
Flip him a mackerel. See if he eats it. See if you can,
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
put your hand in the water.
look at that.
There's some dead mackerels. Flip him a mackerel.
Oh!
Picture it, because I'm not getting that hook out. Sorry, guys.
Whoa!
Got a picture of your fish?
Max got it.
How big is he? 10? Every bit.
Yeah.
Oh!
Whoa!
Whoa! Alright, give me a knife and I'll put it.
Oh, that is right in his.
Touch it, go ahead, touch it.
Got it, Max? Yeah.
Got a knife?
get a good picture. I'll get you one here.
That is.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
There's a mackerel.